Alright, today I'm going to be changing the rear brake pads for a 2010 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-14. First, you're going to need 5mm Allen key for that, and a 6mm Allen key for this and this one. So what we'll do, we'll break this one loose first, and then we'll remove completely these two ones right here. Also, the brakes I'm going to be using are EBC brakes. This is the number for them if you need them, FA254HH. Probably helps if you have some sort of brake cleaner. So let's get to it. Out. Now this should just slide off. Then, as you can see, the pads were super worn. Also, there's this pin right here. Let me see if the camera can catch this. Let me make sure. There's a pin, as you can see. This metal pin right here, or bracket, has to be removed, and to be removed, that's why you need the 5mm, so you can take it off. Probably push on this helps a little better. You can see that's all it's in there. And then you can't forget how this, take this off, both of them come out. You can see mine were way thin, so let's see if I do a comparison with these to the new ones, showing you guys the difference between the new one. You see all that padding, and then these old ones, they have no paddings at all. I should have changed this way before, but big difference. Alright, so now let's go try to put them back in there. So I guess this is when the brake cleaner comes in place, just to clean all the grime and dirt off of there, and just make sure you don't get it on paint, because some brake cleaners remove paint. So let me get a towel. Okay, so what I did is, so to push back in the pistons, what I did is I put the old brake pads on, and I passed this one bolt we took out. And if you have some sort of wrench, I found this one to be useful. Just wrench like that. All I did, I put it in there, and I just pressed down very hard, and then I did it on this side, and then I also did it through this side over here, in between the two brake pads, and it pushed the pistons back in, so the other brake pads can fit in pretty good. So anything like this, anything really that fits in there pretty good will do. So just a heads up. Okay, so you have to pass this pin, let's see if you can see it on the camera, through this metal pin right here, this metal bracket passing by. You have to put it in through the holes on the brake pads and then through the top of this metal pin or bracket, so it creates tension. So let's see.
Well, I know that doesn't matter, but where's the hammer? No, we gotta pass it through the bottom pad. Let's see if I can get this pad straight now, actually. There you go. Now let's just try to screw this in and see if it works. So far it's working. I guess I won't tie it all the way.
The camera picks up on it. I guess straighten out this, this pad, I guess. Is, oh, I see what's going on. As good as possible. Because it'll have to go through the... The hell is that noise? Through the pad. Let's see if I can record more up there. Okay. So let's just see if it goes through. It went in. Okay, so make sure the pads are pointing towards each other. Seems like they are. Alright. Screw this one in. Screw this one in. Alright. I read online, I guess you gotta be careful if it has too much, because the brake is gonna expand, the brake fluid, it'll expand, and if it's too full, it'll cause this to stick, I think. So once we do this, we'll check the fluid. So now all you do, you tighten it. I mean, you could check your owner's manual for the torque specs, you know. I'll do it the old fashioned way, just I'll tap it a little bit and that's it. Let's feel the back brakes. It's tight. Everything looks good in there. So let's check the brake fluid now, make sure it's not overfilled. Alright, I just checked the fluid. As you can see, well, you probably not see it in the camera, but it's right just a little bit under the upper part. So fluid is good. Once you check your fluid is good, you know, make sure it brakes, everything works. So that's how you change your rear brakes. Thanks for watching.